Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the extensions view to find what you need quickly. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus X or CMD plus Shift plus X. This reveals the panel and search field. Once visible, type a clear keyword, language, linter, or theme because targeted terms narrow results. Make sure to glance at categories like popular or recommended. They surface vetted options. If you need a precise match, include the publisher name. These first steps set you up to inspect details and avoid installing the wrong package. Once you click an extension, examine its details so you understand what it does and why it matters. Look at ratings and download counts as quick trust signals, then read the README to see features and usage examples. Make sure the extension supports your VS Code version and note activation events to understand when it runs. Also open the repository link to inspect issues or source if you care about security. These middle steps prevent surprises and ensure the extension fits your workflow. You finish by installing and validating the extension so it actually helps you. Click Install, accept any prompts, and reload VS Code if requested. This activates the extension. Once active, open its settings to adjust defaults and add key bindings if needed, because customization often matters more than defaults. Then verify using a simple file or command that exercises the feature. Check the output or problems panes for errors. If something fails, disable other extensions to rule out conflicts. That single tip resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.